Welcome back to another episode of Meditation Time, where we take 5 to 10 minutes per day just to give ourselves that recharge that we need, just so we can power through the rest of our day. So before we get started, I'm going to give you 10 benefits of meditation today. Number 1, decreased stress. Number 2, enhanced mental health. Number 3, better self-control. Number 4, it improves your academic performance. That's amazing. Number 5, it helps with depression. So many of us can use that. Number 6, helps with addictions. Number 7, improves sleep. Who doesn't need a good night's sleep, right? Improves energy levels. That's amazing. Who doesn't need more energy? We all need that. How many of us are on our way to just need that coffee every day just to get through our day, or need that pre-workout drink just to get through our workouts? And meditation is free. You sit there, you do it, and it recharges your batteries. Where were we? Number 8, improves energy levels. Said that already. Number 9, helps with weight loss. That's amazing. Can you imagine, just from meditating, it helps to aid in the process of weight loss. Number 10, last but not least, it increases our general overall health. That's amazing. And there's even more benefits than that. And as we continue throughout this series, I'm going to be sharing more of those benefits with you. So let's begin. So first, make sure you're sitting comfortably, legs folded or legs uncrossed, either one. What is most important is that you do what is comfortable for you, right? So remember to breathe. felt great. We did it. And we were able to successfully put everything in the world in our lives on pause, time out, just for 5-10 minutes. We sat somewhere, rather it's in your car, rather it's outside your job while you're on your break, rather it's in the break room at your job, rather it's in your front yard or your backyard, or even in your house or your bathroom. You sit down with absolute quiet and just be alone with your thoughts, or be alone with no thoughts at all, because we just want to disconnect just for a few minutes. And then we're more prepared to give to the rest of the world. Peace.